Hello students, today we are going to discuss chapter 3 pair of linear equations in two variables. Exercise 3.2 graphical method of solution of a pair of linear equation. A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2 intersecting lines. A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2. Both are equal means coincident lines. A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 not equal to C1 by C2 parallel lines. One equal, one not equal. Now write question 2. On comparing the ratios A1 by A2, B1 by B2 and C1 by C2, find out whether the lines representing the following pairs of linear equations intersect at a point or parallel or coincident. Already we studied A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2 means intersect the lines. A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2 coincident lines, and A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 not equal to Z1 by C2 means parallel lines. Now first question, 5x minus 4y plus 8 equal to 0 and 7x plus 6y minus 9 equal to 0. Here A1x plus B1y plus C equal to 0, A2x plus B2y plus C2 equal to 0. Now A1 divided by A2. A1 value 5x, B1 value 7x. So coefficient of x values 5 and 7. A1 by A2 means 5 by 7. B1 by B2. B1 value minus 4, B2 value 6. So minus 4 divided by 6. Now cut two table. 2 2s are 4 and 3 2s are 6. So minus 2 by 3. A1 by A2 answer 5 by 7. B1 by B2 answer minus 2 by 3. Both are different, not equal. So A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2. So it is intersecting lines. A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2 means intersecting lines. Right, second question, 9x plus 3y plus 12 equal to 0, 18x plus 6y plus 24 equal to 0. Same, A1x plus B1y plus C equal to 0, A2x plus B2y plus Z2 equal to 0. Now A1 divided by A2. A1 value 9x, B1 value 18x. So coefficient of x values 9 by 8. 9 divided by 8. Now cut 9 table. 1 9s are 9, 2 9s are 12, 18. Sorry, 2 9s are 18. So answer 1 by 2. Next, B1 divided by B2. B1 value 3, B2 value 6. 3 divided by 6. 1 3s are 3, 2 3s are 6. 1 by 2. Next, C1 by C2. C1 value 12, C2 value 24. So 12 divided by 24. 12 table. 1 12s are 12, 2 12s are 24. Now see A1 by A2, B1 by B2 and C1 by C2. Both answer is same. 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. So both are same means A1 by A2, B1 by B2, C1 by C2. Both are equal. So it is coincident line. It is coincident lines. Now third question, 6x minus 3y plus 10 equal to 0, 2x minus y plus 9 equal to 0. Same, A1x plus B1y plus C1 equal to 0 and A2x plus B2y plus C2 equal to 0. A1 by A2. A1 value 6x, A2 value 2x. Write the coefficient of x values 6 divided by 2. 1 2s are 2, 3 2s are 6. So 3 by 1 equal to 3. Next B1 by B2, B1 value minus 3, B2 value minus 1, minus minus cancel, 3 by 1 equal to 3. Next is C1 by C2, C1 value 10 divided by 9, C2 value not possible, so answer 10 by 9. Here A1 by A2 and B1 by B2 are equal. A1 by A2 and B1 by B2 are answer same 3. But C1 by C2 equal to 10 by 9, not equal. So A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2, not equal to C1 by C2. It is parallel lines. One definition: if a pair of linear equations is given by a1x plus b2y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0, then the following situations can arise. First one of a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. In this case, the pair of linear equation is consistent. A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 not equal to C1 by C2. In this case, the pair of linear equations is inconsistent. Both are equal. A1 by A2 equal B1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2. In this case, the pair of linear equations is dependent and consistent. Both are equal means dependent and consistent. One equal, one not equal means inconsistent. Write down the third question. Write down third question. On comparing the ratios A1 by A2, B1 by B2, Z1 by Z2, find out whether the following pair of linear equations are consistent or inconsistent. Already we studied a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. A1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2 means consistent. A1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2 means consistent. A1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2. Inconsistent. A1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2 means consistent. A1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2 equal to inconsistent. Last one, a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by z2. Dependent or consistent? Dependent also consistent. Consistent also, right, no problem. Right, the first question. 3x plus 2y equal to 5 and 2x minus 3y equal to 7. A1x plus b1y equal to c. A2x plus b2y equal to c2. Now a1 divided by a2. 3x divided by 2x. Write the coefficient of x values. So 3 by 2. A1 by a2 equal to 3 divided by 2. Next b1. 2 by minus 3. 2 divided by minus 3. Both are not equal. A1 by A2 answer 3 by 2. B1 by B2 answer minus 2 by 3. So not equal. A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2. It is consistent. Second question. 2x minus 3y equal to 8 and 4x minus 6y equal to 9. A1 by A2. 2x divided by 4x. So 2 divided by 4, cut 2 table, 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4. B1 by B2, B1 value minus 3, B2 value minus 6. Minus minus cancel, 1 3s are 3, 2 3s are 6. Next C1 divided by 2, C2, 8 by 9, 8 by 9, one table only going. So here A1 by A2 equal to 1 by 2, B1 by B2 equal to 1 by 2. So A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 but not equal to 8 C1 by C2. C1 by C2 is 8 by 9, so not equal. So A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 not equal to C1 by C2 It is inconsistent. Third question, 3 divided by 2 into x plus 5 by 3y equal to 7. 9x minus 10y equal to 14. a1x, b1y equal to z, a2x, b2y equal to c2. So first a1 by a2, 3 divided by 2 divided by 9. So 3 by 2 into 1 by 9. 2 9s are 18. Now 3 10, 1 3s are 3, 6 3s are 18. So a1 by a2 equal to 1 by 6. Next b1 by b2. b1 value 5 by 3, b2 value minus 10. So 5 into 1 5, 3 into 10 minus 10 minus 30. 5 table, 1 5s are 5, 6 5s are 30. So a1 by a2 value 1 by 6, b1 by b2 value minus 1 by 6. Suppose a1 value a1 by a2 and b1 by b2 not equal to means stop it. Don't continue for c1 by c2. Okay, not continue. Suppose equal means continue the c1 by c2. Here a1 by a2 and b1 by a2 not equal. a1 by a2 1 by 6, b1 by b2 equal to minus 1 by 6. So not equal to b1 by b2. It is consistent. Right. Fourth question, 5x minus 3y equal to 11 and minus 10x plus 6y equal to minus 22. a1x plus b1y equal to z1, a2x plus b2y equal to c2. So a1 by a2, 5x divided by minus 10 equal to 5, 1 5s are 5, 2 5s are 10, minus 1 by 2. b1 by b2, b1 value minus 3, b2 value 6, minus 3 divided by 6, 1 3s are 3, 2 3s are 6, minus 1 by 2. Next c1 by c2, c1 value 11, c2 value minus 22, 1 11s are 11, 2 11s are 22, minus 1 by 2. Here a1 by a2, 1 by minus 1 by 2, b1 by b2 minus 1 by 2, c1 by c2 minus 1 by 2. So a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. It is dependent and consistent. Consistent is no problem. Otherwise dependent and consistent. Last question, 4 by 3 into x plus 2y equal to 8. Next 2x plus 3y equal to 12. a1x plus b1y equal to c, a2x plus b2y equal to c2. First a1 divided by a2, 4 by 3 into 1 by 2 divided by a1 by a2, a1 value 4 by 3 by a2 means into 1 by 2, 4 1s are 4, 3 2s are 6, cut in 2 table, 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4, here 3 2s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6, so 2 by 3. Next b1 by b2, b1 value 2, b2 value 3, 2 divided by 3. c1 by c2, c1 value 8, c2 value 12, 4 table, 2 4s are 8, 3 4s are 12, so 2 divided by 3. Here listen, a1 by a2 answer 2 by 3, b1 by b2 2 by 3, c1 by c2 2 by 3, both are equal. So a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. It is dependent and consistent. Okay, thank you.